There's a certain magic in turning a simple bicycle into a doorway to freedom. No engine roar, no fuel stops, just pure motion and the open road ahead. In this video, we explore 10 cozy bike campers that feel like tiny homes on wheels, featuring some of the most inventive micro-mobile shelters ever created. These aren't just trailers or tents. They're compact living spaces designed to move with you, blending comfort, creativity, and independence into one smart setup. From sleek modern e-bike campers to handmade DIY pods and fold-out micro-caravans, each design pushes the limits of bike travel. Some are built for lightweight long-distance touring, while others focus on cozy, home-like comfort with impressive detail. Whether you love bikepacking, off-grid living, or smart travel innovation, these rolling tiny homes prove that adventure doesn't need four wheels, just the freedom to keep moving wherever the road leads. Travel Bike Camper by Maxime Derache. The Travel Bike Camper by Maxime Derache is a beautifully engineered micro-trailer that transforms bicycle travel into a surprisingly comfortable off-grid experience. Designed with a lightweight teardrop-inspired shell, it offers a compact sleeping space, smart storage, and just enough interior room to stretch out after a long ride. Built for practicality, it uses durable composite materials, a stable two-wheel setup, and can be paired with e-bikes for easier towing over distance. Inside, you'll find minimalist but thoughtful features like lighting, ventilation, and a foldable bed system. Pricing is estimated around 3,500 to 4,500 euros, depending on configuration, placing it in the premium niche of bike campers. It's not just a trailer. It's a rolling micro-home for cyclists who value freedom, simplicity, and long-distance adventure. Wide Path Camper. The Wide Path Camper is one of the most recognizable bicycle towable campers, designed to transform bike travel into a compact, tiny home on wheels. Built with a fold-out hardshell structure, it expands from a narrow road-ready trailer into a surprisingly spacious interior for two people, complete with seating, a dining table, and a convertible bed. It's engineered for stability and weather protection, using a lightweight composite shell and a two-wheel chassis that can be towed by an e-bike or strong touring bike. In terms of specs, it measures roughly 1.5 meters when folded and expands to nearly 3 meters when set up, offering around 90 centimeters by 200 centimeters sleeping space and about 300 liters storage capacity. Weight sits around 88 to 90 kilograms, making it practical but still demanding on steep terrain. Price typically ranges around 3,500 to 5,000 euros, depending on configuration. It feels more like a micro-caravan than a trailer, built for slow, adventurous, off-grid cycling life. Hupi solar-topped e-bike camping. The Hupi solar-topped e-bike camping trailer is a bold step into next-generation bike travel, turning a simple e-bike setup into a compact, self-sustaining micro-home. Designed by Finnish inventor Urpo Upi Merenmaa, it features a hard-insulated aluminum shell with a surprisingly livable interior that includes a foldable bed, small dining/workspace, and smart storage. The standout feature is its rooftop solar system, around 150 to 250 watts depending on configuration, which can power lighting, devices, and even help recharge the e-bike battery on the go. Built for long-distance off-grid travel, it weighs roughly 70 kilograms and is optimized for strong e-bikes. Price is estimated around 5,990 euros. It's not just a trailer. It feels like a tiny, self-powered adventure cabin on wheels. Wandering Home 2 by Kacey Wong. The Wandering Home 2 by Kacey Wong is less a conventional bike camper and more a moving piece of social design art, rethinking how mobility and shelter can merge. Built on a tricycle-based platform, it features a compact but functional micro-living space that integrates sleeping, storage, and basic utility zones within an ultra-minimal footprint. Constructed from lightweight metal framing and plywood, it prioritizes mobility over comfort, emphasizing freedom and urban adaptability rather than luxury. Exact commercial specs and pricing are not officially listed, as it is primarily a conceptual, exhibition-driven build rather than a mass-market product. Estimated build cost, based on similar DIY microcamper projects, would likely range in the $3,000 to $6,000 bracket depending on materials. It stands as a bold statement on off-grid living and urban survival. The GoCamp Flevobike Bike Camper. The GoCamp Flevobike Bike Camper is a fascinating blend of cycling engineering and micro RV design, turning a recumbent e-bike platform into a fully functional mini living unit. Developed by Flevobike, it pairs the Golo cargo bike with a modular camper box that offers a compact but surprisingly livable interior. Inside, you get a fold-out bed, small dining/workspace, storage shelves, and mosquito protection, everything arranged efficiently in a narrow aerodynamic shell. It runs on a 1,000 watt-hour battery system with pedal assist and is supported by a 400 watt solar panel for extended off-grid use. Range is around 30 to 31 miles per charge. Pricing is not officially fixed, but the full setup is estimated around €10,000 to €11,000. It feels experimental, yet impressively practical for slow, sustainable travel. Bicycle Caravan by Gentleman Style. The Bicycle Caravan by Gentleman Style is a beautifully minimalist take on bike camping, blending craftsmanship with practical micro-living. Built as a lightweight teardrop-style trailer, it transforms a standard bicycle into a rolling tiny home that feels both elegant and functional. Inside, it offers a compact sleeping area, basic storage space, and a foldable interior layout designed for quick setup and easy roadside stops. The build emphasizes aerodynamics and low weight, making it easier to tow on long rides compared to bulkier campers. Specs typically include a length of around 2 meters, insulated wooden or composite shell, and space for one adult sleeper. Price is estimated in the €3,000 to €4,500 range, depending on build quality. It's a calm, stylish approach to slow travel and off-grid cycling freedom. SHIWAGIN Bike Trailer Tent. The SHIWAGIN Bike Trailer Tent is a clever all-in-one bike camping solution that turns a simple bicycle into a compact off-grid shelter. Designed as a hybrid between a cargo trailer and a pop-up tent, it features a lightweight steel frame, 16 to 18-inch off-road wheels, and a foldable waterproof tent body that sets up in just a few minutes. Inside, it offers a single-person elevated sleeping area, basic storage space, and mesh ventilation for airflow and bug protection, making it practical for solo bike touring and e-bike adventures. Specs include a weight of around 21 to 22 kilograms, a length of roughly 83 centimeters when packed, and a load capacity up to 250 pounds, 113 kilograms. It's built for camping and long-distance touring with moderate weather resistance. Price typically ranges between $250 to $450, depending on seller and configuration. It feels budget-friendly, yet surprisingly functional for minimalist bike travel. DIY Bicycle Caravan by Jorg Skowronek. The DIY Bicycle Caravan by Jorg Skowronek is a brilliant example of grassroots engineering, turning a standard bicycle into a fully functional micro-home on wheels. Built as a lightweight teardrop-style caravan, it features a handcrafted wooden shell, basic insulation, and a cleverly arranged interior that includes a compact sleeping space and minimal storage for long-distance touring. What makes it stand out is its DIY philosophy, built using accessible materials, simple tools, and a strong focus on affordability and self-reliance. Specs typically include a length of around 2 to 2.5 meters, a lightweight frame suitable for touring bikes or e-bikes, and a total weight estimated between 40 to 60 kilograms depending on build materials. There is no fixed commercial pricing, but similar DIY builds generally cost around $800 to $2,000 in materials. It's less about luxury and more about freedom, creativity, and pure maker spirit on the road. Velocamper by Uli Rollt. The Velocamper by Uli Rollt is a beautifully engineered DIY micro RV that pushes the limits of what a bicycle can tow. Designed as a compact teardrop-style camper, it transforms an e-bike setup into a fully functional mobile living space, complete with a cozy sleeping area, storage compartments, ventilation windows, and a minimalist galley setup for long-distance touring. Built using lightweight composite sandwich panels, it manages a surprisingly low overall weight of under 90 kilograms, making it towable by powerful e-bikes or cargo bikes with braking support. The interior is carefully finished, giving it a warm, almost caravan-like feel, despite its small footprint. Specs include a bed around 2 meters in length, 16-inch wheels, and integrated braking system. Estimated build cost sits around €3,000 to €7,000, depending on materials and customization. It feels less like a trailer and more like a tiny, rolling adventure home. Scout Stop and Stay Bicycle Camper. The Scout Stop and Stay Bicycle Camper is a clever compact microcamper designed to turn an e-bike or touring bicycle into a lightweight, mobile shelter for solo travel. Built around a modular trailer system, it unfolds into a small but functional living space, featuring a fold-out bed, storage compartments, and an extendable canopy that doubles as a shaded seating area. Its biggest strength is speed and simplicity. Setup takes just a few minutes, making it ideal for stop-and-go touring or urban stealth camping. Specs vary by version, but typical models weigh around 45 to 55 kilograms, offer roughly a twin-bed sleeping space, approximately 190 by 90 centimeters, and include up to 500 plus liters of storage capacity. Pricing generally sits around €4,500 to €7,500, depending on configuration and accessories. It's not luxury-focused, but it nails practicality, mobility, and quick deployment for minimalist bike explorers. Electric Bike Camper Trailer Tent. The Electric Bike Camper Trailer Tent is a compact yet surprisingly comfortable upgrade for e-bike camping, designed to turn any ride into a small, off-grid living experience. Built as a lightweight elevated trailer tent, it focuses on one key idea: keeping you off the ground, dry and comfortable no matter the terrain. The raised sleeping platform helps avoid rocks, cold soil, and insects while adding a soft padded mattress that feels closer to a real bed than a traditional camping setup. Specs include a durable steel frame, 16-inch off-road wheels, quick 1-minute setup with a simple pole system, and a foldable design that compacts for easy transport. It's built to pair with e-bikes and handles mixed terrain with stability, while offering storage space for gear underneath. At around $400, it sits in the budget-friendly range, delivering strong value for riders who want quick setup, weather protection, and basic comfort without the complexity of premium bike campers.